Hey everyone, I've had a few people asking for mocktails. So this is going to be one of our first ones that we'll do in the channel. This is called the Berry Sunshine Spritz. So this one we're going to do some muddling and some shaking. So we have our shaker tin, we've got our jigger for accurate measurements. We'll use our Hawthorne strainer, we'll use our mesh strainer because we will use fresh lemon juice, and you are going to need a muddler as well. So we will use fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, your favorite lemon lime soda, and then you are going to need a few slices of strawberry, fresh strawberry. So I'm going to put our fresh strawberry slices in. Don't forget, ingredients are listed down below. Follow along and make the cocktail with me, or mocktail, my bad. So I've got our strawberry slices in here. We're going to do a light bit of muddling. Whew. This is not a super ripe strawberry, so that was a little tougher than I was expecting. So then we're going to go in with 2 full ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're going to do 0.75 ounces of simple syrup. I did have to tweak this one a little bit. It was a little on the tart side when I first made it for my kiddo, and he instinctively said a little bit more sugar, Mom. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead, we're going to add ice to our shaker tin. Woo. I'm going to pop the top on there and shake away. All right. So we're going to put our Hawthorne strainer on here. We're going to get our mesh strainer ready, and then I'm going to run over and grab ice because I ran out of ice. Please hold. Ice in our Collins glass. And then we are going to strain into our glass. Gorgeous. And then we are going to top with our favorite lemon lime soda. And then I do recommend giving this a little bit of a stir just because all of that nice, delicious juice that we muddled is going to be more towards the bottom. So we're going to get that all mixed together. I'm going to give it just a little bit more of that lemon lime soda up at the top. And then for our garnish, we are going to use a fresh strawberry. And of course, my kiddo likes a straw, so voila. There you have it, Berry Sunshine Spritz. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying the content, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you made any of the cocktails. I want to hear from you. Until the next pour, cheers.